center of learning, we must appreciate the fact that all the children do not learn in the same way. This is where multiple intelligences come into play and help us to design a classroom layout, customize the lessons, and plan the assignments. At MRIS, we are able to cater to all these multiple intelligences, and if I were to pick on one strand of it, kinesthetic intelligence, which is also known as body smart and commonly referred to as learning by doing. In our curriculum, sports and well-being, performing arts, and visual arts helps cater to this strain. The big white spaces we have, the designated activity areas, enable the children to engage in dance, music, theatre, art, craft, sculpture, build models with Legos, building blocks, and go about in their gross and fine motor skills, learning while doing through sand play, water play, name it. They are there with all the senses working and learning all the way.